Well, you're just in time for the making of a Victorian bustle out of a tractor tire inner tube. You're going to need tractor tire inner tube, some coffee filters, and a grommet and a grommet machine inserter, and maybe something else, but I don't know yet. To lace it up, and electrical tape. I'm going to use white electrical tape to fancy this up. Okay, so what I did is I cut a section that fit around my waist and more to have plenty of it, and then cut off the bottom part here, one of the pieces. So this is what I have left. Okay, it's filthy, so I'm going to have to clean this up and then start working on it. Now the cool thing about this inner tube tire is it has a bulge, and since we want the bustle to bulge, it's working in our favor. So I'm just going to put it around my waist and measure slightly less than what my waist is. Okay, a little bit of a gap so you can lace it up like so. Okay, cut it like yay, and I've got a nice little bustle. I'll show you what it looks like in back. This part will be laced up here, and you turn around, got an adorable little bustle there. Perfect. Now we start with some fun embellishments. Steampunk has a lot of black and white stripes, so I'm going to try to do that with electrical tape. And usually the stripes go either horizontal or vertical. Actually, usually vertical. But I'm just going to wing it and do diagonal. I've enlisted the help of a floor proof to finish this project, this decorative step. Here she is. The stripes are asymmetrical, and I'm okay with that. I actually love it. Here we are. Our little Victorian bubble butt. Okay. Now the next step is lace. And we're going to make lace with coffee filters. So we're just going to make a bunch of these and glue them underneath here. It's just showing through like that, all the way around the bottom. Looks like a zebra carcass. Okay, to make the lace, you take a filter, like yay, poke it in the middle, and pull it down. Press it over and over and over again, really tight, even like yay, okay? And you open it up, it's nice and lacy. Like a whole bunch of those. lace is all done. I'll do a quick fitting here. And there we go. Bubble butt. Now we're going to punch holes in here and lace it up. Make your hole, press the little grommet through that hole from the front to the back. The last step, the camera doesn't show very well, is that this black rubber is very kind of dusty white. So we're going to take vinyl protection spray, just spray it on there, and wipe. Clean up that black.